Hey everybody, so we are going to make some smothered chicken. So I'm going to add some oil to the pan. I'm just doing 2 thighs. You can do a whole pan, but that's what I took out of the bottom freezer today. If you've been around, you know I'm trying to empty out the bottom freezer. So we're going to season our 2 pieces of chicken with some barilla, some Cajun seasoning, some black pepper, and I put some olive oil in this pan. It's hot and ready. So put it skin side down. And then we're going to season this side the same way. If you hear any noises going on, just ignore them. My husband's just shaking his nuts. He filled up his container. His mixed nuts. You know, the kind you eat. Okay. We canned pickles a little bit ago. I'm going to get this started and then get in the shower because I need to do roast and make some banana bread. So we're going to brown these, and then after they're browned, we're going to take them out, put them back on our plate. Where'd my garlic clove go? I thought I had a garlic clove here. So I'm going to mince up a garlic clove, and I already have some bell pepper and celery sliced, bell pepper and onion sliced up. If you want to add some celery, you can slice up some celery and mushrooms, but we don't have any of that, so we're just doing bell pepper and onion. And I'm going to mince up some garlic, so I will get that ready while these brown, and then we'll come back. Okay, once we get them nice and brown, we're going to take them out of the pan, set them aside. I'm going to finish up my case of bread and butters and then be done with the pickle making, and I will send the rest of the cucumbers I grow to people who want them out at the base and stuff. So we're going to add our bell pepper and onion and get them softened. Start softening. Have you guys heard of the band Maneskin? I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's Maneskin. If you like rock and roll, the old rock and roll, they're pretty good. They have a unique look, but in their style of dress. but their music is, I like it. So we're going to add some more Cajun seasoning. And there's no sodium in this Cajun seasoning. We're going to add some Badia. Going to add some black pepper. And we have a can of cream of chicken soup, a cup of chicken broth, and some poultry seasoning. And we will add our garlic when this has started to soften before we add the rest of this stuff. And then we will add our chicken back to the pan, cover it, and just let it simmer for about an hour and a half to 2 hours on low heat. Or you could pour all of this in a pan and put it in the oven, or probably even the crock pot or the sun oven, whatever you want. We have rain on and off today, so I'm cooking indoors. Well, that Cajun seasoning's making me want to sneeze. Feel it coming on. Excuse me. I feel a sneeze coming on again. And once you smell the garlic, I'll try it. We can add our soup and our broth. I don't have a lid for this pan, so I've been looking for a lid that will work for it. And then while this is cooking, I'm going to grab my shower, put on something comfortable. I've got a few more things to do. But I need a minute. I need a minute. I'm going to add some of our poultry seasoning. Broth. And you can use any broth you have, your bouillon, mix it with water, your canned broth, your store-bought broth. And you don't, like I said, have to do just 2 pieces. That's just what I took out of the bottom freezer. And this sounded good. And I'll probably do some stuffing. And I don't know what kind of veggie yet. Maybe some broccoli. This makes me want to cook a whole big southern dinner, but I'm not going to do it. So once you get this all mixed up well, Add your chicken, put a lid on it, and then go blow your nose and take a shower. Get some of that goodness on top of your chicken. And you can come in and turn your pieces of chicken around every now and then. If you were doing a big pan of it, they would be under that juice, gravy. And that's it, you guys. Just let it cook. It's as good as it's going to get with the lid. And yeah, I will see you guys when we come back to plate it all up, because we're just going to let it cook. Okay, you guys, it's ready. There's the chicken. Some stuffing. And some broccoli. Let's taste our chicken. Let's give her a whirl. It's tender. Get some of that sauce, that gravy. I'm all about the gravy. Piece of onion and bell pepper. This just came off the stove. That is so good and so tender. Try it, you guys. That's a nice way to have some chicken. The washer's done. Fall apart tender. So, give that one a try. So anyways, I'm gonna go eat. You all stay safe, you stay healthy. Like, comment, subscribe, it's free. And I will see you all in the next video.